Hey guys, it's Jared here, and today we're gonna play some Minecraft. This is my first video on YouTube, and I hope you like it. Let's enter here, the prison break. It's loading, building terrain. Just wait a couple seconds. Just wait. Here we go. What do we have here? Oh, there's a chest. Check out my YouTube channel. Shout out to Johnny_DEMCPE and visit his Twitter at Johnny_MCPE Xbox Live Johnny D. Let's read the story first. In the past, your brother Ryan Cooper tried to rob the bank of Minecraft, but he failed and got caught by the police. That's why he is in the prison called Fox River State now. You, Mike Cooper, decide to free your brother because you want to raid the bank to buy a new house, and he knows the code to enter the bank. You created a master plan. How you will go on. First mission. Go to the supermarket and fail the raid. And fail? To get into the prison for sure on a fast way, follow the compass in the chest to get to the supermarket. Rules: play on peaceful. Don't break blocks unless told you. Let's see if we're in peaceful right now. Let's see. My CP is so slow because it has slow gigabytes. You know? Oh, there you go. It's on peaceful. Now let's play the game. Let's see what's in the chest. Oh, it's compass. And a diamond. Full set of diamond armor. Wow, that's good. That's good. Now let's suit up. Let's suit up our gear. And the story said let's follow the compass, so let's follow it now. Let's see here. There's nice farm over here. It's good. It's good. Let's see what's in here. Hey villager, do you know something, huh? Oh my, I'm so sorry. It's a shop. What we gonna do here? There's not raining full. Where are you going? It said follow the compass, but where? Where? Where are we going? There's a TNT. Oh my god. Ooh. Let's go down here. Let's see what's in here. There's nothing here. That's a fool. Oh, there's... What is this? This is a complete mess. Let's go up here. There you go. There's cups. There are cups. I don't know if that's cups, but I'm so sorry guys. To the video, it's so dark because there's no torch there. I'm just gonna put the brightness in high. There you go. There you go. I hope you guys see well because I'm not. Let's see. Let's see here. What's in here, huh? What's in here? Perfect. Ryan is next to my cell. Now I have to try to help him getting out of this prison. Let's look around in here. Oh, there's a shelf above me. I need something to open it. Let's ask Ryan if he knows how to open it. Hey Ryan. Oh hey brother, what are you doing? What are you doing here? I'm here to get you out of the prison. Do you know how to open the shelf? There must be something under your bed. It's allowed to destroy the bed. Cool. You were right. I tried to climb the shaft now. See you on the other side. Wait, just wait. I have some business here. My cousin joined. There you go. My cousin now did left the game. Now let's see what's in this chest. Let's see. Oh, redstone torch and lever. What is this? I'm gonna put the lever right there and I'm gonna open it. How I'm gonna get up there? Oh, there you go. That's nice. So nice. So good. I'm feeling good. How can I get out here? There you go. There's board. There you go. It's so good. Oh, it's a glitch. I love glitch. Oh my god. I'm in here now. What you gonna do with this? Let's climb out here again. Oh my god, it's so hard. Why I can't go up there. There you go. It glitch out. How can I? Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so hard. There you go. The boat's on the... What? Just wait guys. I'm gonna do some fix over here because it broke. Oh, there you go guys. It's fixed now. Now let's go to board and let's walk over here. Oh my god. It's so glitchy. I can't go anywhere around here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna board over here. Right. Wait. I'm dying. Oh my god. Help me. Help me. No.